morning, ma'am. So, from where you came, ma'am?
We came from Assam Agriculture University.
That's nice, ma'am. So, which products you are showcasing on your shop, ma'am?
Actually, we are demonstrating here all the product which has been developed by Assam Agriculture University. Our focus product is the purple rice because it has been developed last year back in Assam Agriculture University, and we are marketing also. So since this is one of the premium product of our university, it has been sold in a premium price also. It was developed in AU the research center in Titabor, and it is gaining a popularity among the farmers as well as entrepreneurs.
So guys, you can see the photos of purple rice here. Unfortunately, we don't have purple rice with us now. You can see this poster, and this is the things about purple rice. So thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Thank you.